Happy Friday and happy Fridays with Fidelman. I'm Cheryl Fidelman, the Conscious Codependence Coach and the founder of the Conscious Codependence Collective. Today's Fridays with Fidelman is focused on my second tenet of codependence, the need to be needed. So the three tenets are the want to be wanted, the need to be needed, and or the need to prove oneself. Today we're going to focus on the need to be needed in preparation for our free workshop that we're all getting together Monday, 3 p.m. Zoom link below. I did one a couple of months ago on the need to prove oneself. It was awesome. Questions and answers, coaching if you want some. So please like or subscribe to my channel. And all right, here we go. To specify, that's 3 p.m. Pacific on Monday, this Monday, the 23rd. So the need to be needed, huge one. Codependence, when it comes to my theories and work around what I call conscious codependence recovery, codependence gives us the illusion of certain needs. Like there's certain things we think we need from people and they're actually not real needs. They're the illusion of needs. And the reason why they occur to us as needs because we feel like we need them for our survival. For the most part, it's an existential survival, right? In other words, I need your acceptance. I need you to pay attention to me. I need you to agree with me. I need you to be happy with me. I need you to validate my experience. I need you to notice me, right? I need you to... if it's an intimate relationship, I need you to touch me the way I want you to touch me. I need a certain level of intimacy. I need a certain level of seeing eye to eye. And also, we may need somebody to highlight our value. So we'll do things in order for them to think that we're valuable in order to raise our self-worth. And also, if we feel, if we have a really low self-worth, then we may get hooked into somebody's approval to raise our self-worth. Anyway, I sort of already just said that. So these are existential needs. These are not real, basic survival needs. These are needs that that our traumatic identity needs in order to survive. Our traumatic identity needs these things from other people in order to survive, not our true self. Our true self, if we're going with Maslow's hierarchy of needs, our true self has the first foundational basic level of needs. These are physiological: food, water, warmth, and rest. And then the next level we have our safety needs, which are security, being physically safe, not existentially safe. Not that our identity needs to be safe within another person's eyes, actually physically safe. So what we do as codependents, this is like more layers into my second tenet of codependence, which is the need to be needed, and my thoughts and theories around how we put our existential needs before our basic needs. So a lot of us will lose sleep, which is a basic need. Have ourselves be physically unsafe, which is a basic need, in order to need validation from another person. So we'll put the need for validation before our basic needs. I'm going to go into this more on Monday because what I'm pointing to is, as codependents, our traumatic identity is running the show as far as what we need for our survival. And they're not real needs. I don't need you to see me a particular way. I don't actually need that. Now, when it comes to having a sense of belonging, okay, societal belonging, tribal belonging, that's actually the third level. If we're going with Maslow's hierarchy of needs, above food, warmth, shelter, physical safety. But oftentimes we'll put that third level, the sense of belonging, before we even feel safe. So we date people that we don't feel safe with because we want to belong more than we want to feel safe. And we think our feeling safe is in the hands of another person. And so we'll sacrifice so much of ourselves waiting for them to have us feel safe. And what's happening is we're not even noticing that they don't have the ability to do that. So on Monday, we're going to go way more into Maslow's hierarchy of needs, how I feel that codependence has our needs all jumbled up, and it gives us the illusion of needing, that we need certain things that we don't actually need. So Monday, August 23rd, that's this Monday, 3 p.m. Pacific, 60 minutes. We're going to go into it. It's going to be awesome. We'll have Q&A, we'll have coaching. Now, in order to prepare for that workshop, I want you to think of some people in your life where you feel like you need something from them. Be open to consider that it's not a real need. It might be a want and a desire, and that's the other thing about codependent needs, about how codependence gives us the illusion that what we're needing is a real need for our survival. That perhaps it's not a need, it's a want, it's a desire. It would be a luxury if you had it. But it actually doesn't have anything to do with your survival as a human, with your worth as a human, with your self-expression. That thing that you need from the other person has nothing to do with how much love that you can provide, and how much you can open up, and how much you can express yourself, and how much you can fulfill your dreams. That all of that is not hung on another person or a relationship or your place in the if there's any sort of hierarchy at your job or in your family. So I hope all that's clear. The Zoom link is in the description below. It's in the email. I'll see you on Monday. Have an amazing weekend. Happy Friday, happy healing, and life is now. Bye. One more thing that I want to add is that we'll go over more on Monday, which is a fundamental question of anybody, for most people who identify as codependents, and as we move through our conscious codependence recovery, we begin to answer this question, which is, okay, if most codependent needs are the illusion of needs, how do we be in relationship with somebody? What are people for? How do we be in relationship without actually needing anything from them? How do we know what to need? What's a healthy level of dependence? What do I depend on people for if I don't need anything from them? Well, then what binds us and what connects us and what has us have a working relationship if most needs are illusions? So we'll go more into that on Monday, and we're also going to go more into Maslow's highest level of needs, which is self-actualization. That when we get our needs met as we self-actualize, getting those needs satisfied are way more motivating and way more inspiring and growth and evolutionary oriented than trying to get these lower basic level needs met from another person. It's kind of like the video that I put out a little while ago, something like Codependence is Dead, where I was talking about when we're trying to get our needs met from another person, it's like trying to suck oxygen from a brick wall. And we can't stop. Because perhaps we're trying to get a needs met from another person because we ourselves are not yet self-actualized. All right. Thanks for listening to my thoughts, theories, and rants. Have an awesome weekend and happy conscious codependence recovery. Thanks for being on this journey with me and with and for yourself. Life is now.